My experience has been amazing. It's been excellent. I can see a lot of new opportunities coming in the area, in my area of work as well. So definitely, I'm already geared. I work for upstream oil and gas, and I've been a part of the commercial and finance team. Over the last year or so, there's been a lot of momentum in getting on in terms of doing things in a different way, digitalizing. They've been talking about data science, using enormous data analytics and data science for forecasting purposes. When I looked at the Texas program, so I like the program, and I said that once I do that, then I'll be marketing my skills. So yeah, the journey would be toward making valuable insights in the data. So data science, the program has taught me how to look at data and how to analyze data. There are some very good tools. There's a lot of data out there, and with the help of the tools that I've learned through this program, I'll be able to use that to analyze big set of data on a day-to-day basis. I see a lot of expectation. I see new jobs and roles being posted in data science field. So I feel that I'm really excited. I feel that having completed the program, I am in a very good position compared to a lot of my peers to be able to get into that zone because of the program that I pursued. The mentor learning sessions were very, very useful, because that was an opportunity for all the so it was and the good part about the mentor learning was basically that the group was small, so everyone had equal chance to, when you have a bigger group, then I think within an hour's time it's very difficult to get everyone's thoughts and ideas together. But being a small group, it was very easy to express ourselves and to express the learning. The mentors were great, very knowledgeable. They were able to answer questions, plus some of the stuff that they brought during the mentor learning sessions, like some of the case studies and some of the exercises that were presented during the mentor learning session were really very, very useful. Overall, I think, this program would have been, I would say it would have been incomplete without the mentor learning session. The program has given me a very good foundation, and now I need to capitalize from there and build upon that. And definitely, I would say it would contribute to about 60 to 70% of the work that I'm going to do going forward. So, but the program was definitely a very good starter, and it's sort of set set me up for future learning and for developing and enhancing my capabilities in that area. Definitely, they were very, very intense, and the capstone project which I did was was an insurance project, and that was a real life project. So yeah, all the projects were very, very hands-on, very relevant, fantastic graphs, fantastic insights. I've been doing analytics for so many years, and I've been producing insights, but the thing is that it's taken quite a bit of time to actually get into the data, and it's not been that big. I think I would have struggled if I were given that sort of data in my day-to-day life. Definitely, I have been talking about it in my company, and people are really impressed about it. It's a program which is worth doing if you really want to get into the data science and data analytics avenue, because it gives you a good, strong foundation. And it's something which I've been recommending to a lot of people, even outside the industry, whenever I've bumped into people where I've had conversations and had a chance to talk about the program, I have definitely been talking about it.